Okay.
All right, now we're going live. So to minimize that and then get into VMware.
Right, and we have to open up dentist office bills.
Okay.
And actually, we have to open up two, but that's the first one.
That's the first one? Okay.
Dentist office bills.
Yeah. Oops, I lost my list. Now I have to go back. Oh, crud. Now I have to go clear back to figure out where my pages of all my things. How do I find it? I accidentally closed it. Data files. There we go.
Right. Okay. The dentist office bills is the first one, right?
Yep, that's the first one.
Okay.
Wow, I'm struggling to get to this.
We're going to do fine. Everybody's going to do great.
Oh no, I just mean getting to the SPS. But other than that, yeah, it's good.
Okay.
It's just taking forever. My computer decided to be super slow, and I don't really want it to right now.
You know, I was taking the Chapter 12 test, and, you know, it said it compared, like, the football salaries of 2006 to 2000 whatever. And all I saw was the 2006, but after doing today's lesson, I found that the next sample was later, further down.
I did talk to her about my test on, and it was that I forgot to enter the 3 million.
Oh, yeah?
Those were the two I missed.
Hey, my computer, what is going on? So my VMware is just acting up. But I should get there soon.
Okay, no worries. You're usually the one that has to wait for us.
Yep. Okay.
I had to pack because I'm going to Utah tomorrow, so I'm hoping this can go quick. But with what my computer's doing right now, probably not.
What's going on what are you doing in Utah tomorrow?
I'm just going back to visit my family.
Good. Yeah, you're from South Jordan, West Jordan or something? Draper?
Yeah, West Jordan.
West Jordan.
Yep.
Wait,
it seems like it was a long, long time ago when we were making our profiles.
Oh, I just did something wrong.
Okay.
Oh.
I got it up, but...
Automatic recode.
Alright, everyone, I have it up.
Yay. Okay.
I don't know why I keep jumping. I've got to close. I guess I have to close stuff I was hoping I didn't have to close. Ah, okay. Because I was working on some other ones, but when I keep trying to work on the dental one, the other ones keep coming up. It won't let me.
It's so hard. It's like you have to completely close it out.
Yeah.
You have to keep one open or else it closes out.
Okay, this is making me mad. Hold on. Sorry, I thought I was there because I had it in front of me, but when I tried to do the transformation.
Yeah, no worries. Have you started the quiz already, Monica?
Yeah, I did. I started looking at it just because
I started it.
And you did too?
Okay.
Well, it looks like the next two questions are not that hard.
Okay, I just don't know why it wouldn't. Where am I?
Looks like question number 3 is about the requirements. You need a simple random sample, and that the X is normally distributed for each group. So 3 is A and B.
Right.
And then 4, the test statistic for a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples is a
T-score.
T-score.
Or F-stat.
I know. That's how we two samples
Yeah.
are independent if knowing which subjects are in group 1 tells you nothing about the subjects in group 2.
Correct.
And then the next one, I wish they were all this easy.
Yeah.
The data file dentist office bills to answer questions 6 through 11. This data represents simple random samples.
Right? Wouldn't that be nice?
Wouldn't that be nice? At a dentist's office, and well, it'd be nice though if that was on the independent quiz that we take by Saturday, because without you guys, I'm kind of waffling through there like, ah. Okay. This data represents simple random samples of dental bills at a dentist's office in Idaho Falls and a dentist's office in Rexburg. Use the hypothesis that equals, is less than. Okay.
Okay, so I have 37.996. Is that what you guys got for your DF?
Oh, what? Oh, okay. Haven't even gone there yet.
Okay.
So,
Sorry, I thought I was behind all of you because I had to re-transform and recode everything.
all right. So, how did you get that?
So first you have to transform into the city code. So Idaho Falls is 1 and Rexburg is 2. Do you remember how to do your transformation, your recoding?
Recode into.
So you hit transform.
Right, and then recode into same variable?
No, you do automatic. Automatic.
Yeah, automatic recode. Yes, you're right. Yes, right.
Okay.
And then we go to we do
hit city.
City.
And then you put city code and hit OK. And then once you have that, then you go back in and do your analyze.
You mean you put for the new name you put city code? Is that what you put?
Yeah, that's what I put. It doesn't matter what you put as long as you recognize what it is. But they just suggest you put capital code at the end of whatever you do so you know it's what you worked on.
Okay.
So Katie, is yours working?
Katie, are you there? Let me see if we still have.
Yep. Sorry, I don't know.
Okay.
My Wi-Fi is being terrible.
So
I don't know what's going on right now.
I don't have.
What?
I don't have anything that came up.
Okay, well.
Wait, when you open SPSS?
You shouldn't have your results then. After you recode it,
Yeah.
you have to hit analyze and go to compare means.
Okay, hold on.
Do your T-score.
Okay.
Well, mine have the cities on like the same one, like Idaho Falls and Rexburg.
So what you have.
Is that how it's supposed to be?
That's how it starts, but then you go in, you hit transform.
Okay.
And then you hit recode automatic.
Oh, automatic recode. I remember reading about this.
Hit that. And then transfer your city to the variable box.
Okay.
And then underneath where it says new name, write something like city code. That's what the book suggests. And you don't have a space in it. You can't space it. It has to be all together. And then hit OK. Well, you hit the new name, and then you hit OK. Are you following me?
Uh-huh. And then what do I do?
Okay, and then once that's done, you go back into Analyze and compare your means and your t-test.
But it's the independent samples t-test.
Yeah, independent samples t-test. Thank you, Pam.
And then do we do the one with the new code or the city on the test?
You do the city code. You put the city code in where it
The
says.
new one. I put recode.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
Okay, and then do you do the grouping variable?
So for my DF, I got 37.996.
Okay, but wait. So
Wait. I'm still on putting the test variable in the box. Do you do a grouping variable?
Okay.
What do I do?
Let me back up. Let me go back to Analyze so I can follow you. So you go to compare and then independent sample t-test. So you put Dennisville at the test variable, and then you put your city code in the grouping variable.
Oh, right.
You confused us, Monica.
Well, I forgot there was this.
Okay,
Sorry.
so when you put the define group, the group one was, which one was first on the list?
Okay, the first one was Idaho Falls.
Mine's not letting me do okay.
Right, because then you have to put in, you put in Dennisville's, right?
Dennisville goes under test variable, and then you put your city code grouping in the grouping variable, and then you hit define groups.
Okay, and then you put 1 and 2. Okay.
And then you hit.
All right.
Okay. Are you there too, Pam?
Yeah. Now I need to put. How come it won't let me type? Group 1. Won't let me type.
Can you show me your screen?
Can I show you my screen?
Yeah,
No.
I never knew how to do that, so I could never show you mine, but I thought you knew how to show me yours.
No.
Are you okay? Sorry, my roommate just punched a wall on accident. Oh man.
So, Katie, what did you get for your degrees?
37.996, I think it was.
Yeah. Pam, are you there yet?
Yeah. Okay. What am I looking for now?
Your degrees of freedom.
Degrees of freedom. 37.996.
Okay, good. We're all on the same page.
Okay, is that what they want?
That's what they want. That's the first question. That's question number 6. I'm just writing it on another piece of paper, and then I'm going to go back and type it all in.
Yeah, me too.
Okay,
The T-score is -434.
Wait, number 7 is?
Yeah,
I don't know.
no.
I'm just writing down the T-score.
Number 7 is what's the standard deviation for group 2, which would be for Rexburg. So that's 206.3637.
Okay, so
Wait, 206.637?
Yeah.
Idaho Falls, I'm just going to write it all down. 260.06 is mean. Rexburg is...
Where that is, Katie?
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get everything to work on my computer.
Oh.
List 2 is Rexburg, right? 206.
Yeah.
637. 206.637.
I want to finish these ones, and then I'll put them in the test before we switch to the new thing.
Okay, so degrees of freedom, around the 3 decimal places, is the degrees of freedom was 37.996.
Right.
And the sample standard deviation for list 2 was 206.637.
Right.
Test statistics is negative 434.
Yeah, can it be negative? I guess it can.
Yes.
Yes.
And the p-value is 0.333.
Yes.
Yep.
So we fail to reject it.
Right.
It's bigger than. And the number 11, we also fail to reject.
Yep.
It'll still be bigger than. Okay, let me close those data so we can open up.
Freshman dinner. Okay.
Okay, just a minute.
Yeah, I gotta do the same thing.
Yeah.
I have to open it up. Freshman dinner, right?
Yeah. Okay, so then we have to transform this by state. It says, use the data file freshman dinner to answer the questions. The data represents the number of times freshman students from Utah and Colorado cook their own dinner in a month. You suspect that freshmen from Utah cook dinner for themselves a different number of times than freshmen from Colorado. What is the appropriate, the null hypothesis is mu1 equals mu2. Use the level of significance of 0.05. So what is the appropriate
Level of significance is what? 0.05?
Yeah.
Okay.
So number 12, what is the appropriate alternative hypothesis? And it would just
wait, wow, you guys should just prove it.
mu1. Well, I actually haven't transformed everything yet.
Oh, I was just doing that. Sorry, I haven't been paying attention.
I
So
haven't.
12.
Because I was trying to get to
Not equal.
transform. Yeah. Mu1 does not equal mu2. Yeah.
Okay, I'm caught up.
What is the test statistic? And so I need to put these into groups. Automatic recode by state. State code. New name. Okay. And then we go to analyze. Okay, we're going to so we put freshman over, right? And our state code is the group. Is that right?
Yes.
I forgot to look at what they named. Okay, Utah.
Utah was first.
I did it backwards, but my numbers should be the same, even though it's backwards. Okay, so it says what is the test statistic? So it should be 0.845.
Yeah.
I have a negative 0.845.
Yeah. I have negative.
That's what I'm wondering. I was thinking that, I don't know, even on 8, where it's negative.
I think it's fine, Monica. Pretty sure.
Okay,
We did
and
everything right. I don't have to worry.
the p-value would be the whole double-tailed, so it would be
0.410.
0.0. And so we would fail to reject.
Oh, you guys are way so far ahead of me.
Sorry, where are you, Pam?
I'm still getting data here. Okay,
We'll wait, we'll wait.
so T and the okay, all right. Coming back to the test. I'm still on here. Okay. All right. Now, sorry. Question number 12. What is the appropriate alternative hypothesis? All right. Let's see. You suspect the freshmen from Utah cooked dinner for themselves a different number of times than freshmen.
So it's not equal to.
So it's not equal to, right. What is the test statistic? So the test statistic we said was -845. Do you guys put the negative before the point, or does it matter?
I put it before the point.
Okay. Okay. And then what is the p-value? And the p-value was 0.410.
Yes.
Yep.
And then your decision is fail to reject.
Yep.
Okay, now we have to do the confidence interval, right?
Yeah.
That's just the negative 5.137, right?
Yeah, I
3.2.
actually, because of the way that I got a negative 2.204, the numbers are the same, the negatives are just different, and it doesn't matter.
Should I submit it?
Wait, I'm not there yet. Hold on. Okay, so what is the lower limit?
I got a negative 5.137.
Right,
And what?
I got a negative 2.204, but
They're
that
just
was your upper limit because we just flip-flopped them because I had mine backwards.
Oh, so Katie, you got the positive, right? You got.
yeah. I got a negative 5.137, and then a positive 2.204.
All right. I'm sorry. What was the? So the upper limit was 2.204,
Yeah.
and the lower limit was a negative what?
5.137.
137.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you move it over, it'll show you the 95% confidence level on that same page where your T-score is.
Okay.
So I submitted it, and 13's wrong.
13 was wrong.
I think I might have put it in wrong.
No,
One sec.
A negative 8.45.
and I just wonder if they did the answer wrong on the test because
Yeah.
I think maybe we all got it right, and they have it wrong on the test. Because I did look at another groups today, and they got the same answer we did, and they got it wrong. And of course, we couldn't figure out, you know, they couldn't figure out why either. And so I think we're best off to just get the one wrong and have the teacher change it, because I think everybody's going to have it wrong. Because I don't think it's positive. I mean, it showed up negative, and we had a negative for the negative 4.34.
Right.
So.
Yeah, it must just be typed in wrong or something.
Yeah, I think that it's the scoring that's wrong. That's my personal opinion.
Yeah. Well, we did good again.
All right.
Good luck. Have fun on your trip.
Oh, I will. I miss my family dearly.
I bet.
I'm concerned about my daughter going clear to Michigan. I think it'll be
Oh,
hard.
That's terrible. I'm glad that I'm close enough that I can come by every now and then.
Yeah. Yeah. Pam, do you have some time for a minute to go over something on the
See you guys. Bye. I love you.
Yeah.
Have a safe trip, Katie.
Yeah, I haven't submitted my test yet. Hold on.
Okay. I haven't submitted mine either, but I really think that answer's right.
Yeah, well, I don't know what else to put in there. So, and she said it was 13. What is the test statistic? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to submit.
Me too. Yeah, I think they have the test wrong.
Wait. I put negative 434. What?
Oh, that was for 8. 8 was negative 434.
Well, it says I got 8 wrong.
What?
Yeah, negative 434. Oh, I put the negative in the wrong spot. Oh, I'll beg for forgiveness on that one to the teacher.
Yeah, she'll probably give it to you.
Yes.
And I think we're just going to have to email her about question 13. I'll write it down.
Okay, now let me just, I gotta stop the broadcast. I gotta get out of here. And I gotta get back into here.